Deal Surgeons Elite Mastermind System in Life. So I'm doing a review of oil. Like I said, if it's a loss, then I'm going to explain that it's a loss. Okay, I'm not cherry picking. Now, this is on oil right here. Uh, this is like I said, this is my own version of Enigma with ICT. Actually, I don't know what Enigma is, but basically, Enigma is something that he discovered that he won't share with people. Okay, uh, so I found something that I'm not going to share. Okay, but it's similar to the shadow trading stuff I'm showing people, but it's not um, shadow trading. It's something else. Okay, so let me explain this. Okay, so why did I go long right here? Now let me show you the positions. The positions was extremely heavy. Okay, let's take a look at this. I'm about to tell you why I went long right here. This is about position management. Okay, because you have to, if you people are not using this button right here, the call out button, and then explaining your thoughts, you're really losing out. You're really cheating yourself. Okay, so look at these positions here. Okay, it says buy at 10,000, 700, 300. Okay, these are units. Okay, so I put a lot of heavy position right here because based on something I recently discovered. Okay, I found out that above this line right here, this turquoise line that you can't see. Okay, I found out that above this line right here, this is a standard deviation, but this is not the shadow trading system because with US oil, you can't really find three other pairs that move similar to it. So you have to do something else. But anyway, above this line right here, I discovered and found out that price had to come up here. Okay, it had to come up here based off of something I discovered. Okay, that's been working consistently about 95% of the time. Okay. Uh, okay, so now even though I discovered this still isn't a panacea, and I still have to look at the structure and understand what's going on. Okay. Reason I say it is because based off of this same system, I saw price going lower, but I don't want to confuse you. But look at right here. Look at this. What I put right here. When I took the buy, I said took buy because once you take the buy, you need to write down why you took the buy. Does that make sense? This is position management. Okay, you got money management, and then you have something called position management. Okay, so I wrote down I took the buy because plain high. I'm not going to explain what the plain high is, but plain high went high. It has to catch up. Okay, but it might want to go down first. The reason I said it might want to go down first is because based off of a discovery I made, I saw that price had to go down. So, because I had confirmation that it was supposed to go down, but it didn't. So that's what I'm saying. Like even what I discovered is pretty powerful, but I still have to look at the structure and still think. You know. So I put right here, it may want to go down first. Probably made a mistake getting in right now. You need to write down exactly what you're thinking. Okay. Like I put down right here, I said probably made a mistake getting in right now. Might want to go down first to catch up before going higher to catch up. Okay. Because I knew it had to come up here because I call this system that I can't share. I call it a glitch in the matrix. That's literally what it is. It's literally a glitch in the matrix, man. It's literally a glitch in the matrix. So I call it GIM, gym. Okay, it's my gym trading. Or it's a glitch in the matrix. That's literally what it is. If I ever showed somebody it, it's basically a scalping system where you can go extremely heavy because you have confirmation that price has to go higher. It's actually what I'm talking about right now is actually a lot stronger than shadow trading. Shadow trading is pretty tough, especially for beginners. But this right here is even stronger than that. It's way more confirmation. But anyway, so I knew price had to come up here. I didn't see this bullish breaker up here, or I would have held my long. See, this is why psychology comes in as well. See, I was just focused on my whole gem trading system, glitch in the matrix system, which is my Enigma, my version of Enigma with ICT. Okay, like sometimes stuff will just come to you as you stare at these charts. It's like a video game or something. It's like you'll get rewarded things. Okay. So I went in long right here, extremely heavy. Okay, and My target was up here, but even when price was coming up here, I was still scared. Because look right here, what I wrote on the chart. Look, you have to record your thoughts. Okay, it's really gonna help you out when you see what price did and you see what you was thinking. Then you will see that you a lot of times you don't need to be as concerned as you think. Like right here, I put right when price was right here pushing up. I said it seems like it will want to come up here. Uh, Needs to catch up, and we got a ICT two clean level here. Okay, so this right here is ICT. Okay, these levels right here. Sorry about that. This fucking car alarm went going off. These highs right here is too clean right here. Okay, so it's like when you really take this shit seriously. Like I seen this right here. Like it just like ICT talk about like this shit would literally jump off of the chart. He's like, it literally would jump off the chart and you'll start seeing stuff. So I saw this level right here. I'm like, oh shit, that's one of the ICT two clean levels. I was like, you know what? I was too bitch to actually hold it up here, to be honest with you, because I got out early with this arrow right here. But this was a dead giveaway because this was price had to come up here based off of my glitch in the matrix system, GIM, glitch in the matrix, GIM trading, GIM trading. So this is a dead giveaway. It had to come up here, and it was a damn ICT two clean highs right here. So I was just too because I had so much leverage on. I think I had so much leverage on right here. I just couldn't fathom it coming me being wrong and or not being wrong, but really it just retracing. Like I didn't want to see something like this. Okay, even though I would have broke even or just made a smaller amount of money. So really, this whole trade right here was about greed, to be honest with you. So you need to be recording your thoughts, people. Like seriously, or you really cheating yourself. Like seriously, you need to be recording everything. Like this is what I was thinking. So when price was coming up here, to be honest with you, I saw it struggling right here. I kind of study candlestick analysis. I saw it struggling right here, so I was like, okay, well maybe it fails because to be honest with you, with my GIM trading system, glitch in the matrix, like I said, it's not 100%. It's probably 95%, probably 98%. But sometimes it fails. Meaning, remember, I told you in this other screenshot, I said I was looking for price to go down because based on my glitch in the matrix system, one of the glitches in the matrix was that price had to go lower. Okay, uh, and I had confirmation for that. So I was thinking like, well, maybe it wants to go lower, to catch up. So that was my psychology was off because, but I didn't see this bearish breaker up here. This is a bearish. This is common sense that price was going higher. Look at this right here, and this is nothing but greed right here. I'm like, man, I should have held on to it. Held on to it with all that leverage? I don't think so. But this is just greed and this is just psychology. So right here, I just sold. I saw price struggling. It was wicking. I saw all these wicks. I was like, man, this shit probably want to reverse. I was like, maybe it want to fail right here, come all the way back down. I should have really thought about this, but this is when psychology comes in. That's why people say this shit is more about psychology than you know uh, technical analysis. Okay, because it really didn't make sense for it to come all the way back down. I thought it was going to come back down here to this line, okay, or at least come like back down here. Okay, so this is I think this is a bullish. No, it's not a bullish breaker. This is the 5-day trading range. Yeah, this is the first 5 trading days. Okay, I didn't see this as a break and retest. Let me push this back. I didn't see this as a break and retest of the first 5-day trading range of the first 5 trading days with the bodies. That's what this is. I'm on the 5-minute chart. So, but let me explain this right here, and then I'll end the video. I just want to explain why I got out. I should have held. This isn't good for my own psychology. I should have held out for this because this was extra confirmation. This was ICT equal highs, and I knew it had to come up to this line. Okay, I did what I call a micro measurement to this line right here. This was a micro measurement, meaning I had to zoom in. I zoom all the way in with this glitch in the matrix system. I have to zoom all the way in, meaning I have to do stuff like this. I have to get extremely, extremely precise when I do it. Like this isn't even close enough based on my glitch in the matrix system. This isn't even close enough. See, I go all the way down when I see this is. I probably would zoom in even one more time, but it's kind of overkill. But then I would come here and I would measure from a certain area on the chart to a certain area where I have confirmation that price goes to, and I literally will measure it like this and look at the percentages, like 0.01 or and then it may say like 0.12, and then it may say like 0.13%, and I'll write that down. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It's a glitch in the matrix, man. It's crazy, like how I found it is based off of standard deviations, and that's kind of giving a clue away. But let me explain why I got out in the video. So right here, the reason I sold, and like I said, you need to be putting these. Just go to call out. It's called call out. Go here and write down what you thinking. Why'd you get in a trade? Okay, why'd you get out? And then you need to be writing down what you thinking. Oh man, I think it's gonna reverse on me. I think that I made the wrong mistake. Oh man, why can't I win? Why can't I win when I see everybody else winning? You need to write all this stuff down. Okay, so like right here, I say I wanted to hold to the yellow line, but was scared. Also, price struggled too much, meaning these wicks right here. That's what I meant by price was wicking. So when I see these wicks, that means rejection. But what I should have been looking at was consequent encroachment of the wick. It was wicking, but it was going past 50%. But I really want to see it close below. This was actually really lame to get out because it closed above consequent encroachment of this wick. So I mean, but you know, I'll look back at this video. This video is for me and you because I look at my own videos to learn. I learn a lot from shooting these videos myself. So right here, I want the hold to the yellow line, but was too scared. Price also struggled too much, but will most likely take the ICT level and reach the yellow line. I should have been more brave, and it did. You know. So all this right here is fantasy land because I didn't see price coming up here as a break and retest at all because I thought it was going lower. But definitely holding to this line, I should have just got out right here. It would have been a lot more money based on the leverage I had too. So this is really more about position management uh, and human psychology. Thanks for watching.